Prescott Public Library receives hundreds of new books each month. To see what's new and coming soon to our shelves, visit our website at www.prescottlibrary.info. Then hover your mouse over the Kids and Teens tab. Click on Books to Share under the Growing Readers heading. Once the web page loads, scroll down until you see the new books for kids and teens book lists. Click on the desired list and you'll be taken to our online catalog where you can browse all the books that are new and coming soon to our shelves. Use the filters to limit your search. Place holds on titles that interest you. To learn more about library services for kids and teens, call 928-777-1537.